am Chelsea Thompson, and the topic I chose for my final project in class is kidney health awareness. Now, the inspiration I got with designing and this concept is actually from my dad. Quick backstory, a couple of years ago, he found out that his kidney health was, the functions of his kidney was starting to drop, but the doctors just told him not to worry about it until this fall. Sorry. His kidney levels dropped so low that he was borderline going into kidney failure. And that was when the doctors finally told him about the diet change, about the ways to reduce this risk and maintain what he has left with his kidney functions. And the frustrating part is, why didn't anybody tell him that 2 years ago when it started to drop and his kidneys were much healthier then than they are now? So that inspired the site and the color concept, the photos. I worked with my dad the entire time designing this. And this is a photo of him sharing a little bit about his story. But all the photos selected, the font styles, the color schemes, it's all been from him, what he found to be appropriate, that would look clean, that would fit this awareness, plus also being his favorite colors. He loves greens and blues, little hints of oranges. Those are his favorite colors. So I definitely wanted to incorporate it. And when I shared this this finished product for him, he was so excited and thought it looked beautiful. And I think it looks beautiful. It's clean, straight to the point. The orange is a good subtle color to make the titles pop. The font sizing is a good size for the youth all the way up to the elderly who want to know more for themselves or for family members, as well as the purpose of my site is to sign a petition. Yes, there are some other ideas that people could use to help support, but the main purpose of it is to bring acknowledgement and have people sign a petition to make it mandatory for doctors to hand out these booklets, because it takes a second to say, here's a booklet. It's got the resources, the information you need to know to start improving and reducing the risk. And because of my dad, I was able to create this, and I'm going to push to bring this awareness and make it happen at the same time. So thank you to this class in teaching me how to use Div, which was really difficult versus just using your typical programming, but learning how to use Div to make this process quicker, especially with the efficiency that the Divi website was able to provide for me, being a mom, as well as relearning about coding. Now, I'll be honest, I would like to make it from scratch. I was used to that, but learning this Divi tool really does make a difference, even though it can be a bit frustrating to use. But I learned that you can use WordPress to cut back on time and to be more efficient, but still be able to customize with using the child themes. So that way you can really put more of your personal touch. But thank you for watching and listening, and Merry Christmas.